Hi, this is Hector, an account manager for RoofClaim.com. One of the reasons that I believe that I've been succeed on this business is I'm straightforward with my homeowners. I explain to them how the system works. I'm an honest person and they believe me. They believe on the system that we have and at the end of the day on the result. When I get big bonus check, it makes me feel like all the sacrifice that I do during the week and the hard work is worth it. I try at least once a month to enjoy with my wife and my daughter. We can do whatever they want, however they want it, and safe at the same time. We all are family here. We are all a team. We help each other. We celebrate the success that we have. I wake up every single day, enjoy to come to work. I know that I'm gonna be helping customers, providing what they need.